Hello, Brett and Meredith. Thank you so much, Meredith, for talking to me this morning. Brett, as promised, I'm going to go over your website audit. This is a free video, so I'm going to get right to it. So, Brett, looking at your website, some of the things that I look for right away is looking at your content and looking over yours. You want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Overall, good website when it comes to like the layout, so good job on that. Now, when it comes to the content, you want to have at least, like I mentioned, 1,500 to 2,000 words to be optimized with Google. And you want to have keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Now, in your content, you can place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. For example, if you're an HVAC or just want to do like AC repair in West Palm Beach, you want to have those keywords in your website. Now, within your website, these pictures here, they can also be optimized, which is what I would strongly recommend, having these photos being optimized with meta tags and meta descriptions. So those are some of the things that I would definitely look into. Now, jumping over to this next tab here, this is called Ahrefs. This is a tool that I use to help me understand how strong your website's performing. And right away, the things that I look for is here, your section, this section here. So this is your power or your authority score, and you're being indexed at 12. And then this is your trustworthy score at 3.4. So you do want to be able to be indexed between 28 and above, and you want to have a golden ratio, meaning that you want this to be very close to each other. Okay, and the second thing I want to go over here is backlinks. So you have 519 backlinks with 61 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlinks text. Now, these links act like an endorsement for your website. And you're basically building trust with Google, and Google is going to vouch for your website, meaning that it's going to be ranked higher. It's literally like a popularity contest, right? The person with the most backlinks tends to win. However, not all links are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want relevant backlinks or links within your industry. So if you were to get like a backlink from a pizzeria, it would actually hinder your scores. Okay, so that's super important to understand. You want to get backlinks that are within your industry. Last thing I want to go over here on Ahrefs is your keywords. What type of keywords are you currently ranking for? Okay, and what I look for and what you should look for also is buyer intent keywords, meaning that people that are searching for specific services. For example, this guy right here, air conditioning companies in Palm Beach. So this is important because people are going to be calling you. They're going to want services. Now, this here is the volume 20, meaning this is the amount of people are searching for this particular keyword every single month. And this is your position, meaning that you're at 17, so you're probably looking at the second or third page of Google. Okay, so those are the type of backlinks that I look for because it's going to help you get more traffic into your website and more people calling you. So let's go see how your competition is doing. So let's just take Lindstorm Air Conditioning and Plumbing and this specific website or web page, I should say. So I'm looking for keywords. West Palm Beach Air Conditioning, that's a keyword. So they understand SEO. Plumber West Palm Beach, you see that? They understand that, hey, these keywords are super important because you're going to get customers that are truly wanting to get your service. Now, let's see what keywords they're currently being ranking for. So right away, right, same tool, Ahrefs. I see that they're, look, 250. AC Repair West Palm Beach. Are you currently being ranked for this? Right, and last time I checked, you are not. So 250 people are searching for this every single month, and their position according to this is number 3. So imagine all the customers that we're missing out on, and all of these keywords that they have, HVAC West. So just adding these all up is going to help you, or even drain plumber near me, 450. So those are some of the keywords you definitely want to target. So let's just take AC Repair West Palm Beach, and let's plug it into Google. Let's see what pops up. So let's take it section by section. This section here is the Google Guarantee or the Google Ads. So folks are paying to be on this section. So every time you click on it or you call, they're going to get charged. Same thing here. Sponsored, you see that? That's a Google ad. Now this is my favorite. This is the Google My Business page. Okay. Now the reason why it's my favorite is because 30 to 40% of calls come from this Google My Business page. Some of the ways to increase your rankings here is 1, reviews, get reviews and respond to those reviews. Second thing is photos. Are you updating your photos and now they're being optimized? Are you updating your customers on a monthly, weekly basis? So those are just some of the strategies that I would implement to help increase the your rankings on this Google My Business page specifically for this keyword. The last thing is I want to go over the organic listings. So if we see here, Lindstorm's number 1. So it looks like they moved up. And then we got Service Experts Palm Beach. So these two are dominating right now when it comes to organic listings. Anyhow, Brett, thank you so much for your time. If you have more questions or want me to dive in deeper into how you can help rank your website and start getting clients off of your website, right? You have a website, so might as well use it for revenue. Please let me know. I appreciate any feedback as well. So if you can just email me back and let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions, that would be great. So thank you so much for your time, Brett, and we'll talk to you soon.